guys, it's Sarah here. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a declutter of my face products. So if you're interested in seeing that, then keep watching. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe before you leave so you don't miss any of my future videos. All right, let's get into it. Okay, most of my powders are in this drawer. This is organized chaos. I know where pretty much everything is, but I need to have it organized better. So I'm gonna try and go in orders. So let's do powders first. This is the Pretty Vulgar powder. I just got it in my BoxyCharm. I'm going to keep this. I really like it. The Hello Flawless from Benefit. I love this powder so much, so I'm going to keep this. I really like the Milani Prep Set and Glow as well. I get a lot of use out of this. And then the ColourPop No Filter Sheer Press Powder. I love this one as well. The Laura Mercier Translucent Glow. I've been using this almost every day to set my makeup. Back here I have the No Filter Setting Powder. This is the loose powder from Benefit. Or from ColourPop, I mean. I haven't used this that much, but I need to try it some more. Then I have the Makeup Revolution powder in the shade Lace. I'm going to keep this. I have the NYX finishing powder in the shade Banana. I really like this to brighten up my under eyes. Then I have the Coty Airspun powder. I really love this one as well. I'm kind of running low on this, so I think I'll try and use this one up. And then I have my Laura Mercier powder, which I'm almost done with this too. I'm going to use this up. I'm off to a bad start, I think. I think I'm not going to do very well on this section just because I recently decluttered it and nothing has really changed. So this Revolution Ultra Bronze, I really like this. I'm going to keep this. I have my Hoola bronzer from Benefit. This is almost gone, so I'm going to keep this and use it up. This is my Bare Minerals Invisible Bronze. I'm obsessed with this bronzer, so definitely keeping this. Then I have a mini Hoola, which I haven't opened. I'm going to keep this as well because I love this. You guys know this Hourglass bronzer is my favorite of all time, so I'm definitely keeping this. The Physicians Formula Bronze Booster. This got a new life, and I really, really love it, so I need to continue using this. The Becca bronzer in Capri Coast is so good. This is my second one, so definitely keeping that. This one from Smashbox I'm going to pass on. It is in Warm Matte. I've hit pan, I've had it for a while, and I don't reach for it, so it's time for it to go. The Lorac one in Pool Party, I believe. Yeah, this is a great bronzer. This is the Morphe bronzer in Celebutant. I haven't used this as much as I need to, so I'm going to try to make an effort to use this. The Milani Baked bronzer. I really like this one as well. This is a really good one in the summer for me. And then the last two I have the IT Cosmetics Bye Bye Pores. This is so good too. I've kind of forgotten about it. And then the Morphe bronzer. So I have a lot of bronzers in here that I just need to use more of. Then I have my Chanel Soleil Tan de Chanel bronzer. I'm definitely keeping this. I'm obsessed with it. It's the prettiest cream bronzer. And I have my NARS Laguna bronzer, which I love this too. I've hit major pan. I just need to finish this up. Okay, let's move on to highlights. This is such a pretty highlight from Algenist. I'm going to keep this. My Hourglass Vanish Flash Stick. Love this. I actually don't know if I'm going to get rid of any highlights. This is Champagne Pop from Becca. It's gorgeous. I don't have that many. Like I have more than I need, but I don't have that many, right? My Milani one, I'm going to keep this. I think it's so pretty. It is in Day Glow. Then I have the Lorac one in Daylight. My Bare Minerals Invisible Glow. I like this, but I feel like I need to figure out more ways to use this. My Burberry Fresh Glow in Rose Gold. So pretty. And then I have my Tarte Stunner, which I'm obsessed with. The Jouer highlight. I need to use this one more. It is so pretty. My Makeup Geek highlight. The Dose of Colors and Desi and Katie collection. This is so pretty. I'm excited to use this in the summer. And then my Dose of Colors I Love Sadai collab. This one is really pretty too. So I'm not decluttering any of those. Let's move on to blushes. The Burt's Bees Toasted Cinnamon, not getting rid of that. This one from Note, I'm going to pass on. I just never use it. The Laura Geller, I love this one. This Bare Minerals duo, I think I can pass on. I just don't use it. It's a bronzer blush duo. This Milani blush I love, and this one I love too. The Tea Rose blushes, they're so pretty. This NYX Ombre blush, I need to get more use out of this. I'm going to revisit this one because I don't use it that much. This Marc Jacobs blush in Kink and Kisses is so pretty. One of my favorites. This Morphe Trio, I think I'm going to pass on. I just never use this. The Lorac blush in Technicolor, I'm obsessed with. This Bare Minerals from the Gen Nude collection, I need to use more. This one I need to finally use up. I can't believe I haven't used it up yet. I've just had so many new ones. Milani Luminoso is a classic that I'm going to keep. This is the Flesh Beauty one. I'm going to keep this for now, but I might declutter it because I don't reach for it very often. This one from Laura Geller. I'm gonna pass this on. I love this one from Flower Beauty. It's my only cream blush, so I'm gonna keep this. Hourglass one I love. I think it's so pretty. And then this Tarte in Exposed. Love this as well. And then the Laura Geller, I think this is a powder. Yeah, it's in medium. So I'm gonna put this with my powders. And then back here I have this Bare Minerals highlight, which I think I'm going to pass on. I just never used this one. It's too pinky for me. I have a couple more powder samples. I have this Pixie highlight, which I'm going to keep, and that is it for this drawer. In this drawer, I just want to go through my face palettes. I already did my eye palettes in a separate time, but let's go through my face palettes. So this is the Benefit Cheekathon. I love this palette. I'm going to keep it. This I just did a video on, the Tarte Tarteist Pro Glow and Blush palette. I will link that video for you guys if you haven't seen it yet. This is my NARS Narcissus palette. I'm definitely going to keep this as well. My Becca palette, I love this. I can't really use it that much in videos because it was limited edition, but I recently picked up a full size of this blush, which is right here. It's in the shade Songbird. It is so pretty. So I'm excited to have a full size of it, and I actually need to put this in my blushes. But I'm going to keep this palette because I love it. This is my Jouer bronzer duo. I'm going to keep this. I love that. This Bare Minerals contour kit, I'm going to keep it for now, but I definitely need to reevaluate. This is the Tarte Tarteist blush palette. I love this, so I'm definitely keeping this. My Tarte Hamptons Weekender palette, obsessed with this too. I'm going to keep this. And then I have my Urban Decay Naked Cherry. I'm going to pass this on. Here are the face products I got rid of. So the two palettes, some blushes, bronzer, and these glitter drops. So not a ton, but a lot of the stuff I need to use up and then it will be gone anyway. All right, I didn't get rid of a ton, but I feel like the products that I have in my collection right now I really love, or they're products that are almost gone, so I'm going to use them up before I get rid of them. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you enjoy declutters, and don't forget to subscribe before you leave so you don't miss any of my future videos. Thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.